Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science Class 7. Today we will learn 7th Standard Social Science, Term 2, Geography, Unit 1, Resources. Learning objectives of this lesson at importance of resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources, and fossil fuel resources. Introduction. A country's social, economic, and political strength lies in the distribution, utilization, and conservation of its resources. So, children, what is resources? Resources, anything which can be used for satisfying the human needs, is called resources. Are you clear? Very good. Natural resources or resources that exist without action of humankind. Natural resources obtained from environment. Resources essential of human needs. Resources always cannot be consumed in their original form, but they must be processed into usable commodities and usable things. Importance of resources. Natural resources satisfy daily needs of man, such as food, clothing, and shelters. Natural resources also contribute immensely to boost up a nation's economy or a desired area. Natural resources are subdivided into two bases of origin and basis of renewability. Again, basis of origin is subdivided is biotic resources and abiotic resources. On the basis of renewability, again subdivided into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Resources on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, resources may be divided into two types. They are biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are found in biosphere, obtained from living and organic material. Forest, crops, birds, animals, fishes, man, and materials that can be obtained from them. Fossil fuel, just coal and petroleum, are included into a category found from origin man. Abiotic resources. Abiotic resources, non-living parts of an environment. For example of abiotic resources including land, water, air, sunlight, heavy metals, etc. or such as gold, iron, etc. On basis of renewability can be divided into two types. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources, which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Renewable resources harvested and used rationally will not produce pollution. Use of resources and increasing worldwide. For example, solar energy and wind energy and hydro power. Non-renewable resources is naturally resources that once consumed and cannot be replaced. It is called non-renewable resources. Continuous consumption leads to resources exhaustion. For example, fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, natural gas. Minerals resources such as iron, copper, borax, gold, and others. First, we are going to see renewable resources. That to solar energy, as we all know, sun produce energy in the form of heat and light. Are you clear, children? Very good. Solar energy is harmful to the environment. Solar energy multiples divides all source cells directly converted into solar energy into electricity. Individual solar cell in group panel in small application. Charging calculator, watch batteries, lots such as the residential dwells. India, China, Japan, Italy and State of America and major utilizer of solar energy in the world. Kamutti Solar Power Project is one of the largest solar power projects in the world. It is situated in Ramanathapuram district in Tamil Nadu. The Kamamutti Solar Power Project was completed on 21st September in 2016. Investment of this project is around 4,550 crores. The installed capacity of this project is 648 megawatts. Next, renewable resources. Renewable resources is wind energy, wind power in clean energy, most economically and renewable energy. Modern wind turbines with 3 blades turning wind into electricity. Major wind energy producer United States, China, Germany, Spain, India, UK, Canada, Brazil. These all are major wind energy produced. Major wind farms in India. The next renewable resources is hydropower. Hydroelectricity is generated from moving water with high velocity and great falls with the help of turbines and dynamos. Hydroelectricity power is a cheapest and most versatile source of energy out of all known energy. China has the largest produce of hydroelectricity. Canada, Brazil, USA, Russia, India, Norway and Japan or some other countries or hydroelectricity. Follow tables shows the different project in India. Do you know, children? Three Gorges Dam in China is the largest hydroelectricity project in the world. It is construction started in 1994 and ended in 2012. The installed capacity of the dam in 22,000 megawatts. Are you clear, children? Dear children, I hope you all understood this lesson clearly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.